goka gũcokanĩrĩria na mũtumia ena ũhoti wa gwĩka wega within few hours. And let me tell you something, power ĩrĩkoragwo thĩinĩ wa mũtumia ĩngĩprotectwo nĩ mwarĩ ũrĩa wĩ nayo age kũmĩabuse amĩhũthĩre in the right way. Mũtumia nĩwe kĩndũ kĩrĩa nginya Ngai atangĩdo without. But nĩndakũgwetera damage cianekĩka kĩongo kĩa Johana kĩa kuinwo nĩ kairĩtu getagwo Salome mena nyina wetagwo Herodia na kĩongo gĩgĩthiĩ. Now let me start teaching you. We have four types. Ili kwa the wrong to me. If you are writing down, you can just put down on your papers. Power ya better to make suasion. Some people may say suasion, some may say suasion. Ariali women and the little Pokemon. They don't get a kid with all their kids, they may say suasion. Now you don't talk about me over walk with the persuasion. S-U-A-S-I-O-N. Suasion, power of persuasion, we normally say it's a power that is subliminal. When we say subliminal, it's an opposite of the word supraliminal. That's a bit of psychology. Supraliminal, subliminal. That is subliminal. L-I-M-A-N-A-L. Supraliminal. You like the word supra than liminal. When we talk about the suasion, or first of all, to understand is sure that then we come to the definitions. The other power, Yamutumia, intuition. Intuition. I-N-T-U-I-T-I-O-N. Intuition. Intuition. Yamagata was simple faith. Into bracket hope. Simple faith, into bracket is hope. And the fourth is the power of sexuality, stroke attraction. Are you there? Now, suasion, power, suasion. Nehinya wako persuade. Suasion comes from the word persuade or pursue. Nehinya otomana motumia. Okay, kia nage koyo tofika ko pursue na ko kinyera. Ko kinyera ko titera ko romerera. Ko tira motumia okekeka kumenya we motumia okara hada kuri aboma ko pursue waga. You are persuaded by anybody. Ako hati mudu kunanga kaginya na dimu. Kamura dada mau akahura leki. Ukamenya wewe the problem you to be. You need mechanical engineering. Kamenya ni ole tena. Japo honoka potika na honoka. Japo hadi kito demo anaku. Ukimira ko fara kutumba adoma tena hono kimona kama mutumi. Ohoro wa demo hono kunyo soka kakuga. Demari ndio soka kaku. But once someone spots you, you have that power of persuasion, the suasion power in you. I don't know how you got it. And the corona nina wiki, makuta no rasho godo. Onene hena kitu kiraja prophet in your life. Haki kiraja prophet? Haki duraba. Na hana homo doka kana kono modo hindi demo no. Na wale wanaona kustiri. Ukaona wakera watu ngoto wako. Nokati unaona kaile weto. Ona ndio mono kugaine. Hayo kwenda leo. I want you to learn something. The power of a woman, number one, is subliminal suasion. Why do we call it subliminal? Can I the interpretation of that subliminal? Nikendo conscious, ne power, eho, no subconscious, can I be unconscious? Do in theory, on a domain of it is below the threshold. Anyway, I don't want to use too much of psychology on you. No, they go to the Yahoo again, no, we need it. Nikio go away, where? No, do it, you are unconscious of that power. You don't know. You don't know. No, you go, you are not the guy. Now, do it when you take your no. Do it, Nicky, man. Do it, Nicky, Kamabushia. That is one power of a woman. If you are here, Nawemohiku, Kanawana Hika, Kanawana Beto, or you are dating, Okamanyosho Mwena, Kakana, Kakana Mwana, Kakana Corona. Kehinyake uweko kudhini wako kiukiamu itile na wewe dominiki ona nono kwa kuite kehinyake uyeti na mungu mbuo kana geti ye boyfriend kana geti yosho mwati ganile kanura mwena hake kehinyake uona kamwene osho muu kidoi. It's a power of a woman. Na the power is called a very magnetic. Todo Dede ya mbele kuruta weya. Ingine hapa yani ndiko kuna many unnoticed defects. For example, onoye kitu mshija, more like kwa leo ndio kufikia horosho kama nyingi mo, kwa maana ni kwa ndio hiyo. Na kwa mtu kihana na frat tire. Dali ya hiyo. No kenya kile kile kwa kama msaidia kwa guru. That's what we call distribution power. No kwa mtumia ena kana na marage ya kulingana uwe. Na wanaona kuna mhudumu yake kina kipita kama mhudumu. Na kifatara kama mtumia kwa mbele. If I can teach you something today, really over the within your distribution power, you become a prostitute. Do you know why you have to be a prostitute? Mtumia kama marage he knows your word. You can no longer win men through favor. You are not a favor. No, you become a prostitute. Now, even to the married women, we have too many prostitutes in the house. The power of persuasion is dead. So what you do is to fake. You are never in. You are living a fake life. You are faking everything. You fake walking. Or is your boyfriend, or all the time boyfriend, can I know you there is no FIFA. Oh, they all behave for you. Now you can go home to talk to the Wabo or Rajito Korea Mono. Tagaku, who come to me, you got to do the other. The head of the Korea. No, I never got fake. But with the power of a woman, number one, the suasion power. There will be you up in the mall. Don't get persuaded. A man, I can pursue. Oh, when I get the way of your work, or I can hit you on a woman. Are you getting me? Even sexually. You want to be a children who are Africa, Africa, in the bed. The more that you fake at your you go on and the more you are boring the man. Oh, okay, hold on, get an echo. That's what you do. The more the man is becoming irritated. God, let me tell you something. You're going to put a record. No, answer me, shout out. A record. If you happen to win a man, or in a while, don't get a bucket. Oh, go to you give your boo, and the color one of hot to a you have already captured the mind of a man, you don't need to fake to keep him. What you should do is to keep the power that captured him. Mobigani yake kwenye zake kama doki. Petro feko moko ina ma. Ego bila ngina kwa ngo ya leta. Kedo atake kana kukumtabe kutono basho ko. Lewa tumia ga ya mutaidage mwako na power. Muka arrest na mwekera biko. Mwekera ni mukaluta biko. Oh, my God, then from there you leave. Maisha matani mapi. If you talk to very many women, adamete meka kama na ikomi, mana ikomi. Adamete dia. They normally say, na dada na dia na omana ajira. Kegwele JJ. Dadi sejie kwa dadi ya rume. Kile dama hayaka free, baki abuse. Either in bed or in services, I decided to serve. And here I come. And you know, I'm not a man chauvinist or women chauvinist. I'm a teacher. It's not about sex. One of emotionally, she's selling herself. Total emotion, see them to be a hair naga. You need to make a mother. When a one cannot tell with or without a child, a woman is a mother. And the sign that community put on a mother, they know. That's why we are moved to be to a mama. Total nyodo cannot breathe, connotes food. I say breathe, connotes food. One another even a galio. That's why when you see that, you see hope at the Hawaii to Korea. But if you share better about my dying and South national. So whoever is having priest, then you are the Karabique, you are a mother. Okay? And the you be a mother of many nations. You to make a motuke now. No one can have the way I get out on me. No one will go. No expose you and not it. No one just create the oil. No. It means power to area of Taga. Bring the customer to you. Now, the man you love, the man in your life, you are customer, you are the main customer, is purely dead and gone. The more power number one, the power of suasion. Amen. Oro akojaga ni mudu nyentaga, yakatihikaga, agaliende kile, ninde data iwo, nakumarira muduru akwathire, niye tiketaga kuona arome hando. Dana boyfriend I gave my all. After I don't show that I can't heartbreak. From my head, they of you got together a man around me. They got that they get to men around you. Never the Canadian modo, Canado, Canada, power of solution. And to me, I'm sorry to say this. Nini mukoro mwana kebikira very special body. Okay, go to Kwamodo or hair. Shiraye moni araganga akagade kuri iri cia murara modo akire agotigiri modo gadi kwenda matigio ndi kora matigio ndikiro cia kwa ndikwenda citigiti no mutumia mutire wa murara na utire matigio mutumia utire wa murara asa okehiko kaka goko kahikio goko no yo na mutire matigio ate kenye matigio. Tôi hát rồi. Vậy thì na ndio kile mtu hata kudeti mkaweni. Ona ndio mara ile na mudhuriwe. Na marona nala idano. Kama tu ngoma watu wakorogo. Ndio yeye mmetu. Na ndio hiyo kile murara. That is how powerful women arakugira na ndio wewe no mukawa oyo no arakwenda ndio wewe urahikita kuria na mwana cia na itatu na no arakupasuadi no arakupesta. That means in you don't carry the power of persuasion in you can still persuade. Did you hear me? That is the power I want you to protect, whether old or young. Keep the power to persuade. Power is not only to men, it can bring you help. Power is not to get interview, but that's coming out to communicate. Power is not to carry your own kilo. Now, if you go to my knee, you're going to have to feel the power of situation. I will make that one. If you want to analyze that, now logistics. That does not mean that to me theological, but that comes after the to get to the video. Makana to the move. Nikiro kama paka kwa dhana short kwa kile kaje kiroga ma. Waya na kwa kwa na wewe desperate to the lift. Waya kwa kwa ukawa ya kerero kiele. Todo monaka ma. Monaki. No. Where you don't need even to wave. You don't need to wave down the car. The tuition power, you go to Merogam out. On a code or your madam, you might lift down. You might lift. When you Kuba. When you find yourself traveling too much like men does, ask yourself a question. Mutumia Dobeto wako hustle so much. When you set this signal, signal desperation. That signal effect over. Now, no one ever had to go there. This does not necessarily mean any sexual encounter. That signal calls for help, including your mother. Quickly respond to your mother. I call the power of solution. Did you hear me? Now the come out to get the harm to come out to me a bone. For do you have the influence the power? And the good way. When I said to you, when I come in the car gate, you go in, or come on, madam, or some say, I don't know what I got to him. Wanakoke kana muligo moto akakuona moto madam wacha nikuchukulie kitu kiko kana kutoka magari ile sasa kwa kwa wani jombo kwa amana wanadomo wewe na hapo nitakokoka kila ni akati kwa pale ile kana watu for help. It calls for help, it calls for attention. It signal muikadia eti kaka brain of the host kwa hiyo ndani mtu shakini hapo huko don't let people get carried away with the girlfriend. The girlfriend come to oh my God, that my name. One of the young women, I guess, and I will put you on to kill. I don't wait until the power session. We're going to move from Gitahi to Manishahora, I mean, at the top of the hour, Nakasi, and I can know how the Dararia, Timothy Mayana. Atumia re nagi mutumia nagi dahotaga pado tukakatele when you are nagging you can write this down. Nagging ekoro ere nyamo ya ko mbite tako supralimino is a supralimino enforcement of command. Supralimino nego ko rete meaning ne ke nego die beyond their conscious or a command beyond their conscious. Golia sapralino nego korowe rugu conscious. Hari amudu amenya bila maudu. Ogekenda ku control they no control at the unconscious. When you come to control, when people are conscious, that is authority and command. When you are controlling subconsciously, we call it influence. Did you hear me? Am I too much of? Oh no, I don't go here. The Bible says, na gutire kindu kiuru ta guikara nyumba na mutumia nagging. Nagging ndiwe kuga ati ana Gikuyu ntono muri mwa githuku haha. What does it mean, teacher Naomi? Nagging na Gikuyu. Nagging.
Kuthumbura mo.
Thumburi. Gutanga. Ni gutanga. Gitanga mutumia nagging. Hega tumia kama kaini lulu kwa hindi mugakero wetia giki ugetia giki. Icio ciothe ndingiona ni wira waku. Tondu thaa ikumi icio tukunirwo muringa ringire atiriri nyumba tinde auga ni sawa. Thaa ikumi na kuota warehe ibataro ringi na nikuigarira wega muga ino njiri natuika kana indi twajirire njuiri akora ni sawa. Igithii gukinya 11 akakuguru kuria guturaga ni kwa rumu kana ni arikanira kiriniki na kwari na biza na ni kuria ndaga biza ena kiriniki wikio igithii gukinya 11 ucio mwana ukaririkana VVTD. Igithii gukinya 6 rucine-ini ukaririkanio nyina kabata enako. Igithii gukinya thaa ithatu you have a budget of 60,000. Eki ukika wewe mundurume
Kumeria.
Asa nikatuiga wega na mutumia wangu ukika ta wewe mundurume
Kumeria.
Ugo ni muranda standi turaga niki. Wewe toere wana. Mutigo coka gutukua u. Dokas, umona kile tumato? Sophie, ne gumbo?
Dumbura.
The man feels uncomfortable. And all what a man can do is just run away. Ona mtu biorana ganati datigiro na siana haha ageti dashokire. Au mire nyumba ageti kana siana datigiro siana siake. Niko twathiria gikora ni arahandorwo wega na kwira undu umwe gutire mutumia ona uriku tari demanding. Every woman asks for money, asks for help. But the module or the modality ya mwetirie matters about. There is a nagging mode ya mwetia kindu. And there is influential mode ya mwetia kindu. Okay, I taught your brothers, your men this, and I want to repeat it once again. Let me show you how it works. Okaha Esther. We do it here. Can you capture here? The 6 up. Can you? What about down here? You good? There? Thank you. Ikanaha. Osho no mudrume. In our context today. Kama ile kitu hapo mmoja. Oya mudrume. Aheirwo ni Ngai wathani athanage on the throne. Gitikiwe ikarire gitikia wathani gitagwo seat. Gitagwo throne. Mother on the throne, no, in a kingdom. And whoever has the kingdom is called the king. In this particular matter, subject matter. Now, king rules on the throne. Men are the kings. Never act like a man. Whether you are married or not. We muhiku, kanadori muhiku. When a mudrume maishaini maku kanadori, dokana geria ona mudhenyo no mwe gutuka mudrume. Tondu kwina arume akena gokuja aige, makeiteka biatu. No tondu hana tao, did not come. Did you hear me? Goera ka unoka on that bread. Tokenyi tana na mamu ito haha agari. Tuhura ni ahore. Akoro ahore te pio. Adore me ko mutendura. Matike chigwirada. Nawe matigwirada na mawene ndahura mutumio. Na dagari akomera akanya kite wega pio. Mama tike igwa. Waraga hwai, raga mutumia kuti. Katumi makodo kinya na kuti. Ugaike itekebe. Nini kuhoro. Toto atumia matoraga bucia ciiteka gwana ruwa muno na thibiti nene muno makiria. Atumia meteka gwana mituki minene. No muturume ni akorwa muturume kari mwene. Muturume ni endangered species. Muturume ni kindu gya kuhoranirio. Muturume ni kindu gya kuhatiririo. Muturume ni kindu gya gutigiriro gya gikuo. Na huyo mukinya gya rume. You push them to the grave. na mutienda kama kwa ciana inini ne gaka kanini ga karasi ali okarikia fo kari ke fo ni uguo ko gakire ke fo mfore amukorore hewira leo hapo homo yo hagira shuka na mukagucia ngoi karethi urire uria uracio wairetu na uria mbire ira kumone anake uria wa maciarire eirima ora mathomithie ora weirimire nio ora wa hasorire dia night mathome very few men maniaro mira nini mona matukoma ya tuli maria ni rociari wao tondu ciana igikinya kuthukuma tengera itine college iria koragwo irima na namwa itu nega iyo tuwera tukahuruke uria tunyamari akawehana nä muthuri the more kumutesa ngai nä arä mũiyũkia akahuruke ona nä kä anjeherie njĩmu oke agĩe na kĩhurũko gĩtathiraga na ũtheri wa hingo ciothe ũmũtheragie korwo tiĩkaguo ahurũka ũhoro. When women want to sit on the throne, rĩrĩa mũtumia enda gũikarĩra athane gĩthĩ-inĩ na ũnyitaga wega tike MCA tike governor. I'm not saying you cannot fight for gubernatorial. Tikuka tukitaka mpira kiona president you just go. Pawe ile kile uhoro wayo ni ati onongera tukamuna nete nawe na mũndũrũme in your life. Kana wewe mutumia na mũmbere waku remember tukanorage element ya power of suasion. God will become rough and tough. Because men are rough and tough. Kana tuko? Kana utokiuga da icio no ngĩkorwo ũhana atĩa tuge ndĩrenda thitimere cenjio ĩno ĩrĩa ĩhana cenjio neno ĩhaha cenjio tuge na cenjio na atumia ĩrĩa nĩ arũme ndĩrakwĩra mũtumia ũrĩa mũgũthura atakinyĩte ndirica ĩno nuthu ĩrĩa ĩngĩkorwo ĩtute tondũ arũme they are rough and tough nginya moko mao nĩ handĩ na ndaramaka nĩ kũgwa unĩke kana atĩa mutumia akoragwo ĩkĩabwo nĩkĩ tondũ nda yake nĩ rũciaro ũkĩmenyerera the other rũciaro rũngĩ ũtarĩ waruta nĩkĩ atumia makoma gĩthiĩ kahora ũndũ ũcio ũrona guo we ndũũĩ wĩna thĩinĩ nĩndĩ gũthomithia kĩrĩa gĩtũmaga one kinya atumia kinya kĩrũga kamũtaro kiuga ti kwanja no maroge ũru mũno atĩ Ngai nginya ĩkagĩa ũguo hatirĩ andũ kũmũnyitana ũrĩa aratambũrũkia moko andũ aya akoragwo agĩetha nĩ ithuĩ no ndoĩ ĩkagĩa ũguo na hatirĩ ndĩ nĩ andũ agĩetha amani ingĩnyitĩrĩra kana nĩ ithe kana nĩ brother yake kana nĩ cibũ kana nĩ mũndũ ũngĩmwenda kana nĩ soja we ndaramaka no arenda no ndakoragwo gĩkũgũtho ndangĩrũga no tondũ wa rũciaro rũrĩa rwĩ nda yake akoragwo conscious no ndaramenya nĩ rakũri ĩtagwo ndĩmwĩtwo subliminal onake ndoya gwĩkaga ũguo nĩkĩ na ndaramenya gĩka now rĩrĩa mũndũrũme ũyũ wĩ gĩtĩ-inĩ gĩtĩ-inĩ nĩ augaga thiai ũkai ĩkai na no igũrũ mwa mũthuri kana mũndũ nĩ akũgũthũkia we kira thiĩ that man if you dare talk like that na atumia arĩa maragia ũguo nginya kũhikania nginya mũno tondũ arũme sigino ciao cia kuoya mohoro mũngĩthiĩ pate nao kana mũikaranie nao itinto-inĩ you use that their language you talk in their language they cancel you wagwĩkĩra gapũrakristi mũndũ ũcio nĩ mũno mũno ndeka gwĩkĩra rĩ cio. Can somebody interpret to me what is called wife material? Wife material. What is wife material? Material moja ina wife. Atamoga mundu tumuhiti na wife material. One.
Tabia yake.
Sio ni to nyike those so white. Ndio kitu kimwe. Gajira
Mutumia polite.
Polite sio ni horeri. That's one. Kauna kogete mutumia sio no wife. What else? Wenyihia. That's another material. Dressing. Nikuga na mundu sio no wife. Tawari tukano wapurira dia. Ai mundu kigara hamwe na yo ni ai. Yo ni dia. Kwa hiyo katume kĩbongo kinya andũ meciria nĩ mũtumia we hau naho nĩ relative kana nĩ hanyitanĩte nĩ nyamũ iria twĩtaga cognitive psychology tondũ angĩkorwo wĩ haha ndũrĩ mũhiku you must watch out ningĩ ndũgagĩkĩre ta nyũkwa ũtũũre ũcikĩraga rũmĩa wĩ tondũ makuona marona mũtumia wa mũndũ so you should be moderate na wewe na mũndũ nyũmba ndigũcira mũndũ no atege thiia na acokeire mũtego bado watega gĩthiũ kĩa mbere kwĩ mũtumia wa mũndũ ũndũ angĩkĩra tuo nĩ bado arĩ o gĩthaka no arahe na ũndũ ũcio ũkoragwo wĩ watho ni kwanza it's even shame to the society a shame to the society nĩ ũkoragwo ndũrĩ mũhiku no nĩ wagimarĩire tu do you hear me mami itu ndũrĩ mũhiku no irĩti makinyarĩ ndũngĩhumba tao you must set a pace ndũrĩ mũhiku nĩ mana ũrakĩhĩta no mũhĩtĩre waku ũhũthahũthe nĩ wao mũtigakĩrĩanĩrio hamwe mwothe gũkora inyuerĩ mũgwĩte moko-inĩ marĩcani na hau noho mũndũ akamagaga tame down kamenyaga mwarĩ gua kũraroraga ũũ nayo karora itherero mũtigakĩhĩtĩrwo kĩanda kĩmwe koguo single mothers who are here na yetu nĩ manenehire hiyo ni kitu ya kuweka kwa kichwa. You don't need a professor to interpret. That's something to tell you. Yo rumono ateshage ni okita kandi bo. Yo raini ndio na kayo atota hali. Mwiro na ndio. Wewe kwa shage ni aroka luto mwaruko ni aroka ndikesha. Ikale akule kesha. Ikale akule kwa mugone. Mai koro bypass na yodote bo makeni rote ya tumkere na wewe hai ule amangi yetu na ashawe da kesha wewe ni bere gai ai ko do ni tiru wole da wale kai wadota do heti wole ya wasi ya mwana yodota ni yokuo no do shoka gai ni kuongete ilekera kore akogere wakoregire during that time na kwa gai kuri ndo ciothe no ikare ha ugu o goka kuruta seed wironero amen okay because of the time ukaha mweni na mweni ni okania tu tamutumia wa muthuri ureko takikarira gitewe women rule behind the throne you have to do that. This is what I call the power of persuasion. This is what we call influence, mode of ruling or influence you. Habuza no ijadiri na moko market wa. Akomanda ke batonisha muduri. Maundu make muonaga arome magikakinya na mewatha nini. Makoro mekitwo tukoni atumia. You can see your boss coming in the morning akofute. Tiwo akofuta. Ofutiwo tukoni mama. This is influence. If you are a woman and your influence, the fragments in your influence cannot soothe the nose, then you have a problem. You have a problem. Tukilia kwa rahura gui ma giants ma German shepherd but I'm connected in you so that now you may wake up and the giant in you start working. Kila kitu ministry ya Yesu ikorona atumia niki na fikirika hakwire atomo iko minere there was no woman then you have to be minere but the ministry ya continue to atumia meja ya disciple modelo ya kwapo all men the morete no atumia no marumanene nate because hinya wapi modo akothe mutumia no ke kono muthigari ukuhudira futo kia ratha mutumia atari armed mundu cia nginya kuga thirikari yothe thĩinĩ wa thĩ kũngĩgĩa mbara bũrũri ĩivakuĩtaga atumia na ciana. Is that true? Evacuation is for women. Arũme mebangĩ. Now, mũtumia mbarĩra nene in your lives na kĩrĩa gĩgũtũma mwĩkore mũgĩthiũrũrũka maica mena thĩna nĩ inyuĩ kwaga kwehera throne-inĩ, mũkĩkwehera behind the throne and you want to come to the throne. Hihi kana mũthuri waku ti mũgĩthiũ kana wĩna mbia kũmũkĩra kana wĩna kũmũkĩra kana ndũrĩ mũtugu, you think you are a man. Tondũ mwĩragwo rĩu nĩwe mũthuri na mũtumia mũciĩ ũcio kegwĩrĩ nĩwe mũthuri na mũtumia theoretically, imaginary, but you cannot be a man. You cannot. Na kuti mutumia haha si ngoma za sereme haha utari mundu utamizaga ukoro na muthuri wake na kabakoro kubitia hivi na ukoro mucucu ni mundu kana ni hari mundu metaragia nake. That's the reason why in the system ya Ngai tari wewe bitagwa ati kwa utashiko
Ana njiko
wengine
kuria
no
my husband
wewe bitagwa ati kama
my dad.
You are dad. Amen. Tumuno. Address your mara mapopo katika mwenye mtu. Kama utungo kulia ni moka kila iba mwenye kina ni gatumia. Todo a woman must belong. Let me talk about it. Get a no.
My dad.
Your dad. Where we come?
Catherine said, come on.
Come on, no. This come on, I can get married to how to get it all out in New Guinea. That's why you kill the day after. Because Mutumia Nokia, I belong somewhere. No, he come over, you can get better than what you get whatever for you. Then you are a woman. Let us have a hot for the same day in the name of your husband. In the name of Jesus. The hot in the name of the husband. Honorable the Matara said, I came to tell you, you can be more practical, you can be more successful when you are a woman, more than when you are a man. I don't know how they got you. No, you can't, but I'm not no, talking about the way you know, how I take care of it. Don't try to be a man. Behavior-wise, character-wise, speech-wise, be a woman. You will win too many battles. I mean, you know what I'm about to do. Wait a minute, yeah, you are agree, I'm a woman. Now, wait a minute, then you be influential. You use influence. Mutumia oyo no wala kibiye Johana Kyoko. Not to okay ka ko. Ma to me ki na ha buda. Tega na mukendie Kyoko gidi. Samson da ho yo na misuka. Ne mutumia. Ne ko ni to to kai influence o. Akai guibio. Akera mera system na hakas. Ko ni. Na vera ni ko na sabasi. Ika ha. Are you hearing me? Mudugu to Jesse Perry. And it's mudu ya kemuda ya kemura kama you just leave. Digira auto. One or ya kweka. Mudu so to na bodu Jesse Perry. This is where now when you abuse your power, when you want to become a man, you abuse your power. Na tumi kimura mana tukama darasa ya kiasi. Mana boy ya makanida, mana boy institutions. Mana nina maodo. For the power of a woman should not be in the mouth. Not everything can control you. You make the society and the nation fail tremendously. Point number 2. Hinyosho kwa mutumia. Wait a moment. Intuition. This is hinya. Oh, your intelligence. You know the way they know mutumia. Eh? Na hii sababu hawatumia mwanemo ina kimatiyo hii. Kedo tutaka the sensory capacity kana feelings. Na haa neto ye. Most of the married women have this. Na tumia na mena shiana ne mari. Mwana wako no koro eshukuru na wewe mushie. oigwe na kefiri ntarwari thutha ndaika thata wona thimo ya mwarimu mwana mwa igogo atetakire kaigwa ai mwana wakwa nĩ ta mũrwaru ndaika thata ino thimo ya mwarimu mwana nĩ arwarire mwana wangu. That's what we call intuition. It's the ability to run something without any proof. Na atumia hakuveti all the things I don't want to get a good video. Wow. I can talk about my mother. Mami. Ni wala. Darawa kama mtani. Na ya mama kakula mami. My brother sema kwa kumwila dia kwa mama. Mami ake. Aku tu mau dia akan ini kakak jalan aku akan aku ada kita. Kau kau nak kau dia nama gigi ya. Mulai sekali lagi orang ambil ini everything. That is what we call intuition. Nak kau lihat dunia tidak mungkin dia kerja. Aku orang muda, ayuh papi. Yang itu ada usia, ini sama. I'm a professor of psychology. And I don't want to get together idea. I want you to understand yourself better. That's how powerful you are. Not so I that the Mutukana or Sholuko. Power of solution. And I will be my canary and I want to brush over. Dorada hivyo, wenda tena dorada hivyo ndio ngene na ikonia. Gari yako ndio itonya mutaro na duole yako. Kotire mutumi yore wera ndo. Jaidia ikonta gari mutaro gari yako mutumi yoro kana ni mwa. She has a power to call. Signal to call people. They don't call you are not able to call people to persuade. To persuade people to come for your help. You are killing something in you. Number 2, intuition. They don't get caught to you in you to the kid who then you're having a problem. So that you don't talk about quadrants. Now, it's a different kind of intelligence. Let us kind of intelligence go to you to make it a modo. Okay, you can come over and read it. Without getting before the come, we have seen, we have identified the mother. The intelligence kind of it. That's how women are. It's a very powerful thing. Na nikioja tobira mutumia wa Pilato amwire utuku mundu ucio murenda kubaga ni mundu wa Ngai na nikio mutumia ucio arokire rushine rwa rushine nikio mutumia ucio rushine arokire gwetia ki mai agenda bao mwathani akiuga kono muthina mbere na kumuraga ni endire ti Pilato wecirie ni mama mutumia ni ari ina understanding without a teacher, without an interpreter. You can even advise your husband. Oh, you going to get a flesh. I am ready to quadja. Muduri and the quadja Nekoa. Do you take from Macano Perino? Tomo and Yurimo. Why are you coming to have a whole Muduri over the coin? A very one, you can come with. Can I come with it? Can I get friends? Can I more than intuition is an information without to prove or truth or fact. So, talking but in most cases, several women cannot to me again. Nemahodere takeo dokeu na makahota na bara na nemuno. Kwajabu mutumia komwe arole muto wa hitukagira hao every day. Akaria todo maro ka dona no ngikiri baine ko hoya oka kwa makamu heirio makamu rugira akaria aria oima adie agacoka rĩngĩ rũciũ aria oima athi agoka atũire kakarukaru mutumia ũrĩa kĩgiana perceive the inner perception, the intuition agĩta mũrũme akĩmwĩra my husband mũndũ ũyũ ũkagira gũkũ gwitũ akĩrĩaga nĩ mũndũ wa Ngai ũyũ nĩ mũndũ wa Ngai Taka kwele arume tutire kiu totino kizaga na komoro mode irathimo nyingi hitoketa kwanyu nerera mutumia oraga that power You'll never know when God is coming. You'll never know opportunities. Can I tell you something? Behind every successful, can you put up your voice for the camera, please? Behind every a woman like who? Like who? So why do we have that theory? Behind every successful man there is a woman. But to be honest, no. Can't do that. Intuition, influence. Hey! No more que yo era ni. No more do the kaba. Modona ina mene. But women, atumia, ni masano kagana na makaikira ko situation. Modona wa na modona wa dai. Moduri ya ko moshie na dasano kaga. No do mo ni oyo ile ya mo moduri yo ni siake. Mai manenyu ana make. Akore ngo sai moduri yo gorete. No we joy oyo no. Ginyana mutumi ya mwini. Na oh my God. Ndakujibia ndakudisia abuye ndira mo yagereri. Gotire muturi ono mo ngoko utaka gore muka. Anone all the twata go nyatumia including Gitahi wa kazi. We are under heavy command, under heavy rule. No mwatanira wa tumia ni maita meri. Mutumia ono hea murume wa kege amuikarire. Mutumia ucio no lithagia murume mbere ya andu. Mutumia naki mwago kaya. Na rikito mundu ndarenda harwa gekirira no thamaki ugathi. Tugithoma psychology ita the battle of trousers. The battle of trousers. Nje mungu amini hende tuna time. I think I have too much to tell you. Tukanaleka ngigerera ino na ubio. The battle of trousers. Ekoro thini watu mia anaenda kukugusia mudhuri muda by force. No kuri influence. Ginyakara ko mudhuri okironda gacere na andu nimukana kuhotekeke no ndamenyi no ria influence atire dawa hugere na tumuhure. Autumu aromemere de kodi hado aromema kana mana mushamanio. Mere to margamete facility to na mara ke to godra mwana ya kiuga. Mutu wothe utawaga ko nimuka haha arugame. Aromema kana mata to mana ite maturugama. Tene mata mwana ya kao. Gathuri kama wetu wa ikaile. Uso ikaile de mode ya kiuga ne facility we. Oreka kuwe twaga ko ne kwara ka kurugama. Atigalie kwa jambo ereto ona koro kurugama ndigarugama. Nona mwika yetu takaka mwenye dabu ujena kwa tona mwaka nini biyo na mtuzi kani nakaka na harikage kani hamono oka kayetu takaka ya korona hinya wako na wadhani wako no tumekaria mundu metaishiruki hahaja ege dina yuki na no jibo tukoya influence na authority be. You mean you are not coming? Hey, you go come here and you can. No, you cannot do that to me. Hey, catch your okay, I'm coming, okay. One again can you remember that the shot to put the camera your car. No, get to a CDF. No, get a man to a CDF. I tell you, your car. That was a lot to a Marwa. If you become what I did, I can have a hand and carry. With a got it. Ora to kali toroga ga utana giro magasi desi ana. Sakaranje. Mutu sono uge. Ne mo bugawana ko. Na nikala mukaiga no. That's how powerful you are. Not going to go more than another. Ogere kia komenya. Mahenya mashio mere kila hau kimi. No menya oria oge hono kia kina dino. Oh my God. Intuition. Motumio yetako Abigail. Nekomenya menye muro menya rumana. Todo Daudi akomana gere ro irio kwa na bali. Daudi akomana armore osapasali. Na bali akomana to bali muri. Kwa ile madha mama jana na ali geta kaya mo. Na neju ile sia neju kwa dusia ke ejaka. Magoya. Nenda jana no ari mandu. Tamana. Leo ndio watu mano aika yongo. Akile Daudi no. Who is it? I cannot kings are their servants. Kurumana, tinitin dehaga mo do yo korea ma, ito yo mita kunadiko. Na tukata kama makiko. Who is that? Who is David? Hindi mo na ran manu. Na Daudi mo do apa? Dukata siya Daudi ke sokai ke mwera akon bete bio na bali. Daudi akiuga oi. Otora joba tora moyo kayara bora. Jotokea na bali. Kiara akini taina gibo. Na ke sokora no. Kera bidali tonda. Na kakamu do kare aga to to ga ke yo kai hena. Gatana kinya musie. Abigail niafilite we are finished. Niafilite no kugira kabata. Kwetu ni ya matatu yaga. Bila mswa kuledia. Na kitu kinangu baradi yake, mfunda yake. Anatia mai makepako, megatere arudi rwande. Aje kwa ikepako, grace ikepako, na msi tuko na grace na hada sia Pentagon. Popcorn snado sikepako, melon sikepako, akaheza kudai na kudata. Akatoka Daudi amoni gerelia akija kwa. Na leo Daudi hada bera kimafunda hiyo akitulia maro. Kemoro mwadhi wako atakera. Habi ni hapo ndio wako. Ni kelimo otaleta ndugu yake. Tako na bali na bali ni kwa kelimo. Ahana ni kwa yake. Tayari mtumia kwa hega. Nikiona kutoka na kwa hono kesi ya kwa. Ona kwa bila. Dakara hapo ni hake. Asante mwana kutangezi siya kwale. Nekuwa mkali siya kuilia. Ona mae. Rekemari ya mwadu wako. Oligano ni orusho. Daudi akibieho. Akijita mtumia shogoko. Akimukilia. Can I tell you something? Nyoye kaya ikilia bare wakioraga na bali na kihikio Daudi mtumia. Kaya kioraga na bali na Abigail itoka mwaka wa Daudi. Anakaya wamura mimi. Kwa jari hado ya mwule Juba kimuru ukirila. Akirika kiora. Ida dua mwani. Eiko na mwani. No mtumia ni hotete okudoka akahono station. I'm asking you, as a mother, as a woman, can you feel that and devastation? Now we didn't care about what you emotional. Oh, you're more ne toto teke ne to akenyoba. Na kama na wewe mno nyopele to kwa kari. Ikoro ina hato to ko yori na to yetawa. To yori ne na dai kanyaba to. Na to yetawa ne kata la mudo wa kayoka. Ara komaga ho. Tadikiri mutumia mureshiya atamudo akanyagiro akanyagiro rere na yero tawa na hando hakonya mafuku nigeza oka area agathoma agakoma adia wewe na mutumia muthulusho yake siri no waka mutumia dogeria hii no gotu amete no go design nyumba no kwani kuna mishumari kwa bona tunamenyeka hinya kwa hada ziraka guys, do you get me? Power ya because of the time. It's a simple faith or hope. Mutumia nataka bianarua lakini nitoke mutouragia. Lakini nitoke totoiye. Mutumia ni ale hope, kinya hapo hata hope. Kora ndo menato anato nini goko? You are nurturing a small child. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see any other mother? Wena kana kani? Okay, stand up. Kidogo tu. Kanaka kuni kama kaigana.
Miaka ile
na miaka
miaka 5.
Wewe kaka tu kake.
Kamu daktari.
Na wao wanataka tu daktari kama kaigana.
Sasa miaka 3.
No, ni wale ndio kaka tu daktari. Ndio muone.
Kena miezi 5.
Yeni. No, ndio kaka.
Nagatuika jaji.
Mono timaraga. Ataka kike jaji no timaraga. Sawa. No timaraga. Maraga sana. Sawa, je kwa nani? Nekayetu. Kwa nekachoki tumu. Na unataka katika choki tumu tuzana kaigana.
Laki.
Now, onaitaka kukula tulia yake ndio wa time. Tadikeria the hope they have. Men will take your work come on to get. But you have hope. They have simple faith. Faith kanini kagenerator hope na magakora meteketie ni magateithika na gutiri mutumia heho taura dio hoho ragateithio ni muri no na muri wake akabwatira no na muri wake akabuma na thome na nginya muri ucio ndarera manda angi ni urikana kare okage arenda gatuike ki
na atuika munene wa bururi
na tigasiare no already ena kona nyo ikira gatuika. Men does not have that. Did you hear me? Men does not have that power. If you told to have it, our mother's hope and faith has made us be where we are today. That is the power of a woman. Jokile kwenye kama hiyo na hutumia. Kwa wote no hata time ni hadi na huyo tukabilia sana. Tukabilia hausande the third power. Nigga hapo ni dia. Hiya osho watu. Ne hiya wa faith, ne hiya wa patience, ne hiya wa hope. After you are patient, the way you wait for your children. Mielikeda. Kumbe ndio mtumia mega na pregnant I conceived. Nako wakililie. Na koja tukatoa mwali wa keri ndio kale kwa mwene. Na lekale go na mundu soka kwa dekira irimishite to makino miskarege. Akora kwa meno wewe muguruki. Usibito horo mara ya waku ni uriga gere mahu. Mana heto to we ko to. Padre ko we ko dio mara soka jigire leu. I'm not responsible. Jakilieno. Manoga tu ka patient. No kanyita mwana wako karadima. I remember that I was handling one case of a woman. Muduri agire na muduri so tetaka akemuhenia madiranje. Akenyita deo muduri ucio ogwo. Tare ko bless mwana. Agekaskana ka all the manner of casts. Atimohono. Akigaka kiro tia. Nakaga gokuga seroge kioje. Arotora hihagiria kioje magia chake chokagia. Kiro nene hamutwe mutheri. Atoria amwira na kira sisho-ini urotoro mugura kira dawa. Yiki kiro tuika kitu. Guy, nasty with you to shadow Kakolini. I can't I want to a box. The Morianaki, Totokia Guete, the Kitokin men. The Kitokigo, whatever took a mother of that thing. Gariana Kamoria, are you sure you don't want? She started crying. After crying, I asked her, who can want to Toro, they have to do it your weather. Like after something like 8-10 minutes, I can tell a bishop, I'll bring up the child. On Adikakioje, I'll bring up my baby. How old are you? 33. No, I can be patient for the child. I thank God. Her patience and simple faith made her deliver very safely, and the child is kicking and breathing. And the child is growing normally. The patience women have, men don't have. In most cases, commit suicide. Nabaya men ni higher than we. Wanatoka sana kama fundi ya power yote sote to get the part of the abuse of office. The way you abuse that power. The way you misuse what you have. I will conclude by saying, Veno yana yomotumia to the Nina Wadi, the mother of the nation, the mother of the society, the mother of the living. Continue to do kemu ya woko de kitaki kitu kitaka mami. Ingani ne ilina. Na ibe maibe. Tikira ke maibe to wa external fertilization. Kamu tahu apa ini? External. It is very difficult to trace a male, but very easy to trace a female. I came here to tell you then on the ihe toiletu aburi nyamo shimo kwenye maji na nikiwa na ngoke twira okirukira cia ngoka twira ng'ombe kwa tuko shani yakaka atumia ne orangira ciana na twire ng'ombe na rĩorĩrĩ na kĩatĩa na atumia mwĩhinya tikumuhitha tiga nĩ mũkĩre muone kũhũthĩra wega na positively o na ngoma tondũ nĩ ũyũ ũguo nĩkĩo mũgũnda wa Edeni ndangĩakorire Adamu rĩtwa nĩ ũcio nyingĩ mũno ĩrĩtata kũhoro itunda tetore leleko wewe onore donaona makono baba pai atenga yoge tate ni makia homa ni muno not on mutumia are sympathy to believe quickly and to agree easy and you can influence power yake akiabuse hali aliganĩirwo tu no kũria Adamu tweke ũguo the Bible says arĩire na kĩgarũrũka kĩmũne na gũtirĩ mũndũrũme ũkĩnengerwo kĩndũ kũrĩ mũtumia mutumia akĩgwatha mĩaka mĩrongo ĩrĩ nĩnjũre kĩro mata na tũtirĩ tũtũngĩka no kũmeria that's how powerful you are na gũtirĩ mũndũrũme strong niĩ ndikũrĩ maga Adamu tũkĩnengerwo I'm telling you ona tũkĩnengeria mũgĩcambagia andũ nderwo nĩ mũthũngũ mwathomithĩria psychology akĩnjĩra ngengwĩre mũhunjia ũngiuga nĩ kũhĩta mũirĩtu ta ũyũ ũguo ũmũhĩte nĩgetha ũkahunjia nyondo yake ũguo no ũmũhĩte mĩaka akũherithagia gũthiũrũrũkagia ona kĩgagĩkorwo nĩ thikũ cia mũndũ wĩkũnene ũyũ tiga nĩ Ngai kũndĩngĩ ndakĩrĩ mũtumia aherithĩrie na aherithirie one year ta kĩrimũ tondũ rĩrĩa kamũra nĩ tũrona no mũthĩ kanjĩra kathika mweterera handũ ndegũka agagũka ngathi hao wĩra-inĩ rũciinĩ kamũra nĩgira gũka nĩkĩ hatirĩ nĩ kuuga atĩ ti kĩndũ kaigua tarĩ kĩrimũ gĩkĩ tarĩ kĩrimũ kĩa mũndũ gĩkĩ nĩtũmĩkiri ajaĩ hatirĩ na ti kĩndũ is that person okay that is power no menye no ndacokaga rĩngĩ na rĩngĩ ndagĩtarĩ anjĩrire mũtumia no akũherithia mĩaka ĩtatũ ũgĩkona rũnyondo rwake ũguo no mũtumia o ũcio hithaga nyondo ũguo nĩ ũndũ wa mwana nĩ arutaga nyondo ĩyo mbathi ĩiyũire andũ kana stage nyondo wagirĩtio we nginya ũkerirĩria gũtuĩka mwana nginya tondũ kamaikĩrwo ndanenehire nĩkĩ Thank you, Sir James. I'm winding up just a minute. Nobody will done here, Nicky. Point number 2. Mutumia oshiome mwene. Agekuhetera. Wewe muheta miaka tu. No we akiuga. Ohujusi ajeria kagwera pastor, he don't pastor. Mutumia akiuga wewe niwe JJ, niwe pastor umuthi urirara kwako. Manoka gayura wiguru. Gai tu. No, tufuta mafanya make. Sincerely. Mutumia akekwekera. Na ndihina muno atakari mwire tutoyokera agendeire Sir James yaga no ngai amuhonokirie kana maguru make magire. Otherwise no heko gerugana. No athiĩ in public domain ũrĩa nĩwe wĩtagwo mwaga. It is very hard for a man kwĩhonokia moko-inĩ ma mũtumia. Tiga nĩ tũragĩrĩ gũthiĩ tũgĩcanũraga arũme. Now when you abuse your power, ndũmĩhũthagĩra ta namba Abigail kũhonokia mũciĩ. Ndũmĩhũthagĩra ta mũtumia wa Mũisiraeli kũrehe mũndũ wa Ngai nyũmba nĩgetha kana karĩa matarĩ magĩe. Ũmĩhũthagĩra kũhũrithania atĩ kanitha tondũ no ũninwo nĩ one woman in a day. Kanitha tondũ no ũninwo ngwatanĩro itũ nginya na hunjia no ũninwo nĩ one woman in a day when you open your mouth. Maũndũ marĩa ndamuthomithia mana nginya marĩa tanarĩkia hatirĩ handũ hero hinya wa mũtumia wĩkanĩra. Kanua ka mũtumia nĩ ũrogi thĩinĩ wa ũtumia wake. You must watch your mouth. You must watch how you do things. Na atumia amwe matirĩtha na ndĩmwĩre kaũndũ haha nĩkariganĩrwo. Athondeki orogi mũndũ ũrĩa ũkĩaga orogi nĩ mũndũrũme. Tondũ rĩrĩa ndekaga research orogi ndakorire nĩ hũthĩragwo kĩmbu na kĩmbu kĩu nĩ kũrĩo kĩrĩagwo gĩgakario gĩkĩrĩraga gĩkĩnyingiraga mũtutu ũcio gĩtuagwo handũ tukane na mata. Nyoka ĩgacoka ĩkoya ĩgakimwo hagakĩoywo tũindo twaku either nĩ panti yaku mwena wa ũrorigaine na railway station ĩkaretwo kabati kau ĩgatukanio njuĩrĩ ciaku tũindo tũu tuothe tũkorabaneria tũgathondeka orogi. No acio metagwo arũme tondũ ingredients iria ithondekagwo orogi ciĩna thithi nginya gũcokanĩrĩria na gũtukania. No mũgeri wa orogi from point A to B nĩ mũtumia. Gũtirĩ mũrogi mũndũrũme. Kũruta orogi haha ha mũrogi nĩgetha ũtware kũrĩa kũrarogwo tondũ nĩ atumia. Waigua andũ maninanĩire ciana atĩ airu maninanĩra ciana nĩ atumia. Waigua andũ mahukanĩirie rũrĩrĩ nĩ atumia. Sister na sister tondũ ciana ciaku nĩ ciathomire ciakaikaga gũthoma you are sister. Egũnina. Na nĩ tũgũka better that part of you guys. The most dangerous part of you. You are very powerful and superior. No more damage, very positive damages. Sunday morning. That is that. Since you are promising me, Sunday will come and see you. Nakona mutumia au daki power yake akora kwa orere rosini na mudhuri hau na mwana hau na koma ila matenda kwa kukuta. That's how powerful woman is. Akanagera mwana runyoda na yego kerete akoma kwa kana mwana runyoda mwana kanyoto kakaba mwana akama na kwa kalipo ya kakaba na kwa akama mamosi akokera kama tuda two down na adi yako kama oh ndio chako na haya kile down two down na adi kama basi atio to hale na kimaka bora two down adi job na kama na kambela ya tungo na kukala kwa mikorogo ke matumbe na ngombe ne tame na kukoika ni kuna ni kae wana moro kwa kana mwana kwa moro soka kwa kiro botai bubu za yere muko no no mo kiro gwa wera emo goda ya ni ndwere sipita
A standing ovation for our bishop. Tafadhali aikono wanathi murugama na maguru maku oya moko maku tu na iguru kurira tondu twero apao woman oya moko maku tu umwerekerie uge Ngai aromurathima na muturi na mongerere hinya ucio. Are you blessed this morning? Appreciate the Lord with a good hand clap. Wonderful. Thank you so much, our bishop. That is so wonderful.